So I'm giving the Silverado a bath, and you can see the night and day difference here between the doors and the way the fender right here looks. This looks rough. So we're going to Claybar the fender, and I've already Claybarred both doors, as well as the bed and the tailgate. So let's get started, see how it turns out. You see all this shit right here. It's got on it over the years. This thing has not been taken care of, but that's going to change. Get some more spray on here. You can hear how rough that is. So all I'm using here is just this Mother's kit from Advance. Comes with the detailer spray, 2 full Claybars, which I just broke about a half a piece off for this, and then it came with their microfiber towel as well for $22 at, it looks like any parts store has them. I don't know about you guys, but I can already tell a huge difference. All right, let's wash it off. See how it turns out. Bear with me a second while I put this spray gun together. All right. All right, cool. Lay this phone down just a second. See the difference. Shit everywhere else other than where I wanted to get it. Looks like a totally different truck. All with the Claybar from Advance. Hey guys, Adam here. So if you like what you're seeing on the channel, subscribe, like, share it with your friends, leave a comment below and let me know of any other videos you'd like to see regarding the Silverado or the Project Fox body, and I'll see if I can get them uploaded. Thanks guys.